This Garvey 4-tier foldable storage cart was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm showing the unboxing and how it sets up. Right out of the box, one of the best things about this is that there's basically no assembly required. I didn't have to spend hours putting anything together, I just had to attach the wheels and it was ready to go. That alone makes a huge difference compared to a lot of other storage options. As I'm taking it out, you can see it's already mostly put together and it just folds open into place, which is really convenient. This is a 4-tier cart, so you get a good amount of storage space without it taking up too much room. Each shelf feels sturdy and it's designed to hold up to 100 pounds total, so it can handle a decent amount of weight. It also has lockable caster wheels, which is really nice because you can move it around easily when you need to and then lock it in place so it doesn't roll around. In the video, I'm showing how it unfolds and how it looks once it's set up so you can see how quick and simple the process is. Another thing I like is that it's foldable, so if you're not using it or need to store it, you can collapse it back down without having to take anything apart. It also works really well for different spaces too, whether it's a kitchen, garage, or general storage area. Overall, this is a really practical storage solution. It's quick to set up, sturdy, easy to move, and doesn't require complicated assembly, which makes it super convenient right out of the box. At the end of the video, I do show that it actually slides perfectly in between my wall and my fridge, so that was so convenient for us.